Python is a multi-purpose programming language with a simple and beginner-friendly syntax. Downloading Python is easy, but downloading it with all related packages to artificial intelligence might be difficult, especially for beginners. That's why we have something called Anaconda, which is a free and open source distribution of Python, which means a bundle that contains an implementation of Python with the source code that anyone can inspect and modify. And this distribution is for scientific computing that aims to simplify artificial intelligence packages management and installation. Go to Anaconda website, then click on Products and choose Individual Edition. Scroll down and click 64-bit graphical installer for Python 3.7. Make sure you choose the right operating system. After downloading is complete, run the exe file, then click Next. Read the license agreement and click on I agree. Click on Next. Note your installation location and then click Next. It's recommended that you do not check Add Anaconda to my path environment variable because this can interfere with other software. Click Install. Click Next. Again, Next. Click Finish. After finishing the installation, click on the Start menu and choose Anaconda Navigator. Click OK and do not show again. Right now we are in the base environment, which is a directory that contains a specific collection of libraries and packages that have been pre-installed for us. We could also work on a different environment by clicking on Create and install the required libraries manually. Launch Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter is a web-based application in which you can create and share documents that contain live code, equations, and visualizations. We are going to use it to write and run Python codes. See you in the next video.